This is everything I did on day 3 of traveling solo in Mexico City. At 5 a.m. we started the 3-hour drive to Tolantongo and grabbed breakfast along the way. The weather wasn't ideal, but I think it worked out in our favor because the springs were nowhere near as busy as I thought they would be. Even without the sunshine, the views were incredible and we were given a ton of time to sit and soak in the hot springs. This was such a unique experience, and I would describe the water as being similar to a warm bath. After lunch, we also swam in this turquoise-colored hot spring river as well. My favorite part of the day, though, by far, was seeing these beautiful waterfalls and being able to go inside of the caves and explore. Most people go to see the hot springs, but in my opinion, this was the coolest part. We were given headlamps because we went deep into these caves. And these videos really don't do it justice because it was hard to record with the waterproof pouch over my phone. But I highly recommend anyone visiting Mexico City to take a day to come out here. It was a long journey back, but we got pastes and made some four-legged friends. It was pretty late by the time we got back to Mexico City, so I called it a night since I was leaving for El Salvador the next morning.